Hi guys, it's me, Annie Jones, and welcome to my channel. What happened to my voice? It's cracking, oh my goodness. Anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please leave a comment down below so I get to know you. And if you are a returning friend, thank you so very much for sharing some time with me. This is part of a collaboration for tiered tray decor for Easter and spring. This is being hosted by Domestic Diva DIY, Sonia. She's a lovely creative crafter, so please check out her channel and check out all the channels of the collaborators as part of this collaboration. Anyway, there are some items here that I made myself, and there'll be short little videos on how to make it yourself, but it's basically how I decorate my tier tray for Easter and spring. Let's hop to it.
So I decided for my first little craft, I'm just going to use this block from Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree. If you find them, buy like 12 because they're very hard to find. And then I'm using this Dollar Tree calendar, the back of it where you see the samples of the calendar art. I always love to keep those back pages because they're perfect for miniature artworks like this one. And I decided it would be cool to have a block for each season. So yeah, there I am, just cutting things out using my, you notice that cutting board is like, wacky on one corner. I burned it, I always put things on the stovetop and burn. I have a thing with burning things. If you don't know me very well, you'll see. I like to burn things. I don't know why, but it happens. And there's Mod Podge to the rescue. Yay, Mod Podge. We all love Mod Podge. It's a wonderful product from the Plaid family of products. Never have an issue with Mod Podge. There's a bunny, perfect. Now I decided to add some more decor to the other sides. And since summer is coming up, I thought what else would be better than a honeybee? Honeybee is a very big decor item as well. So I figured I can use this for my tier tray all year long. So my next two crafted items are actually from a previously recorded challenge, and it was crafted by Corey, hosted a miniature challenge, and I made a miniature fairy dress displayed on a hanger with a little branch, and I also made a miniature Easter basket. So I will put links to the video so you can see exactly step by step how I made these, but they were lots of fun and they were perfect for my Easter Spring tiered tray collaboration today. So the first thing you need for a tiered tray challenge is obviously a tiered tray. This is what a tiered tray is. Funny story about this one, I actually found it in the garbage. It was hot pink and a hot mess, and I took it apart, cleaned it, put it back together and painted it all nice and pretty, and now I have a nice free tiered tray. And there's my little fairy dress, and those other two items I also made. A little decoupage bunny, which I also made. And oh no, let's move that bunny to the side. Okay, and then here is where I keep my rosary. And next we shall add a little birdhouse, which I also put together. Also nice for spring. Now I added a little brown bunny to the top tier and a little white bunny to the bottom tier. And the little itty bitty mini Easter basket that I made that I showed you a little snippet of, but you can check out how I made this from Dollar Tree products in another video. I will link it here. Now I'm using one of those little Dollar Tree crates and putting some more moss in there because there's not enough moss on the floor of my house. Why not add some more? Those are those little Easter, what are they called? Oh, the little carrots. I love those little twine covered carrots. I thought it was perfect with the little bunnies. I should have put a sign there, but, oh, and there's a little block I made with a little brown bunny as well. So, again, I'm going to keep shifting things around. Oh, no, let's put the brown bunny down there. These are little mouse bunnies that I also got at the Dollar Tree. So, I have a couple of those little ones. I wish I could have found a bigger one, but those are perfect. Just adorable for a tier tray. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, the hardest thing about making a tier tray is just leaving it alone. I just keep wanting to add more and more stuff. So I add some florals in the background. As you can see, I added some Easter eggs, and there's a ceramic macaron, whatever you want to say. Nobody can see it back there, girl, but that's okay. We'll keep adding it. And let's put the teacup. Has nothing to do with the tiered tray, but let's put it on a pedestal. So I added some flowers and some eggs, and let's move the egg. Okay, well, see what I'm telling you? It's leave well enough alone, Annie. Just leave. Just stop. Just put it. Okay, there you go. Put the bunny back. Put the egg. Yes. Okay. There. No. What? It's. Oh my goodness, girl. Make up your mind. Are we done? Are we done? No. No. Well. Hey, Oh, yes, of course, because we need a miniature egg. Because you could all tell we needed a miniature egg, correct? Oh, goodness. But that's the hardest thing about a tiered tray is to stop and leave it alone after you've put it together. So there's a close-up. Ooh. Ah. I like it. And we'll do another close-up because why not?
So what do you think? Did you enjoy decorating my tier tray with me? I enjoyed having you here, even though I didn't know you were going to be here. I was basically alone on my own. You know what I mean. Anyway, I really appreciate the fact that you're here now and that you're sharing this moment with me. And I especially want to thank Sonia of Domestic Diva DIY and all the other lovely collaborators as part of this playlist for sharing their tiered tray decorating ideas with myself and you. And there'll be more tier tray decorations because I'll continue making little miniature things that I can decorate my home with. Anyway, I want to thank you all for spending some time with me, and please check out our playlist below and all the other wonderful creators. And please, if it's in your heart to do so, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's see if I can have you back here again sometime soon. Anyway, as I always say to my friends when I say goodbye, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, my friends. All right, see you soon. Bye.